Hey guys, so I thought I would make a video of this. It's been a year and we finally got this car out. A little late, we usually get it out um, when summer starts, but you know, there's been some complications, so we haven't been able to get it out. We've been really busy. I'm really glad that we finally got the S2000 out. This is the 2005. I've had it since it was brand new. It's 16 years old. Only has about 21,000 miles on it. It runs great. Got the cover off. It's been sitting for a while. And it's been needing a new battery. And I mean, that's about it with the maintenance. It doesn't need new tires or anything. It's very good. It's a Honda, so we know it's going to start right up. We have the battery right here. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll definitely make a video of starting it for the first time in a whole year, which would be cool. It's been sitting for a while. I kind of forgot of how brightly colored this car is. It's a really great car. As you can see though, the battery's completely dead. The battery in this car is like 8 years old though, so it's been needing to be replaced. I think it's only like the second battery that it's had. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, I'll make more videos this summer about this car. Don't drive it in the wintertime, so that's how we keep it so nice. Live in Pennsylvania, so that's why our winters here can be brutal, so we keep it under the cover. Alright guys, see ya.
Like it's only been sitting for like a week. The mighty F-22C. Dig it.
That lights,